Oh, cool.
Which one you want to ride?
Actually, let's ride this Road King one. Actually, no, let's ride the Road Glide. I want to ride that Road Glide. So here we are, 2025 or 2024. I don't really know the year. 2025. Let me see what it is. 2025 Road Glide 3. And that denim purple, said Venom. And that denim purple, man. Y'all know I love the Road Glides, man. So I'm on a Road Glide today. Road Glide 3 with the oohs and the ahs. Let's see what we got here, man. I've never rode one of these bikes before, so should be a fun one. Should be a fun one, man. Ashton.
Ashton?
Yeah.
You ever rode a Trike before?
No. Let's see what we got.
What are you riding now?
Same bike, just two wheel.
Okay. Is that the same controls?
Yeah.
Alright, so the biggest thing to remember when you're on the trike, keep your feet up the whole time.
Right.
You got a wider wheel, you got a wider base behind you.
Right.
So just remember, this isn't your clearance section.
Right. We got the Big Daddy back there.
Right. One of the more important things to remember is keep your feet up the whole time. There's really no reason to put your feet down.
Right.
You gotta remember you got a wider base with wheels.
Right. Right. Right.
So you don't want to put your foot down
and then you run it over.
Like you run your foot over, right?
Right.
There's really no, like I just said, there's really no reason to put your feet down. You shouldn't feel like you're falling.
Right.
You feel like you're falling, something's wrong. But you're probably gonna put your foot down because muscle memory tells you to
right.
put your foot down. Right.
Right.
So just try not to.
Yeah. Okay.
You can start it up.
Oh, this thing brand new, 403 miles.
So all the controls are the same, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, so take your parking brake off, but hold the brake because you might roll backwards in that. All right, go to first gear. There's some cones up here we're gonna go up to. Just go up there nice and slow, like at a walking space.
Okay.
Right?
And of course, this is our first time on a trike, so you gotta turn a little bit wider. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing is pretty sick, man. Pretty sick bike here. This is actually one of the ones I'm excited about, dude. Uh-oh, camera about to die. This is gonna be the last little ride.
Alright, so see those two cones in front of you?
Yeah.
You gotta go through the center of those cones, facing the fence.
Okay.
So basically, you gotta go off to the left.
Go out right. And then come in.
So the cones represent a car, curb,
right.
building, a baby, a person, whatever.
Right.
Don't hit a cone.
Okay, got you.
Just do it nice and slow. When you go through the gate, when you go through the center of the cones, make a left.
Okay. Let's see what we got.
So go to neutral. Alright, reverse. I'm gonna show you reverse. So before you go in reverse, the initial reaction of the trike, it's gonna jerk.
Right.
Because the motor is kicking in.
Right.
It's gonna jerk, and almost 100% of people, when they feel that jerk, they let go of the button because they think something's wrong.
Right.
Something's wrong, it's just the motor kicking in to go in reverse.
Got you.
So when you press that button to go in reverse, just keep it pressed and it'll smooth it out.
Okay.
Okay?
Cool.
So, yep, hold that button until the light comes on right there. Yep, you can let go. So no brake, no clutch. Just push that button again and you'll go back.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
You know what I mean? Hold it
Yeah.
down. Hold it down.
Okay, got you.
Stop.
That's cool.
2 ways to get out of it. Just what you were going to do, first gear, or you can go to park and brake and it'll throw it in neutral.
Okay.
The Trike is going to be a little different for you, especially in turns.
Right.
It's all pushing and pulling.
Right.
All pushing and pulling. So you kind of got to anticipate a turn when it's coming.
Right.
Anticipate that pushing and pulling. It's going to be a little heavy.
I'm ready to ride.
And the first turn for you is going to feel real funny.
Got you.
All right, there's no leaning, no counter.
Right.
Turn, so it's all right here.
Cool.
All right, you're good to go.
Thanks, man.
You know where to go, man.
Yeah. Let's see what we got here, man. Before my camera dies, which is totally insane. I swear I always get to this freaking point, the best point of the show. Let's see what we got. Oh, this one don't got a double kicker either. This thing feels weird. I ain't gonna lie, this thing feels insane. This thing feels crazy. Hold on, let me come through here right. You gotta stay in the center of the road so we don't knock nothing down. I don't wanna be the, oh my God, yeah, he ain't lying. You gotta pull. This is pretty cool. All right, man, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, man. We are on the 2025 Trike 3. Let's see. Now, of course, it's not fast. We didn't get it for the speed. We actually got it to see what the rideability is like. Now, of course, if this thing was fast, it'll be that much more scary. So the bike feel like, of course, it's a three-wheeler, so it feel like an ATV. It feel like if you like move a little bit, it feel like the back end kind of shake a little bit, but no big deal. I'd rather ride this thing in a parking lot, rather, to be honest with you, rather than ride it on the open road like this, me personally. But all in all, it is a pretty cool bike, to say the least. Pretty cool bike, to say the least. Let me see if I can get over here. Let me see if I can get over yonder. Okay. This thing is nice. You riding this thing, I ain't gonna hold you. You got the Big Daddy on there. Now just imagine this Trike with like a freaking 130 anything. I think it'll be really, really sick. Now this thing definitely feels like a car or something. You don't want to go too fast on this bike and try to hit the corners. That's not going to be the fun thing to do. But all in all, it does feel good. You don't have to balance or anything. All you got to do is sit here and hold the throttle. See now, like I see how all my OGs be getting these Trikes. Okay, so this is a little tight turn and we are going a little bit over speed, but this just shows you the difference between a two-wheel and a three-wheel. You got to push the handlebars rather than like lean in with it. This is a push and pull type of thing. So ain't no leaning on this bike. It's all pushing and pulling. So if you ain't get your workout today and you want to get your workout, man, go ahead and get you a Trike. I guarantee you it'll be what you need to get that workout in for today. But we are sliding on this thing right now. Opening it up. Ew. I'm not gonna hold you. I feel like you can lose lose track of this thing real quick if you're not paying attention and you start to slide, slipping and sliding. This thing will get crazy. That's what I really feel like. It'll get crazy on you. And then of course you gotta lean into it a little. Not even lean into it, but you gotta push. I should have turned the traction control off. I should have turned the traction control off. That's what I'm gonna have to do at the light. Meanwhile, this thing looked like a dang a Batmobile back there. I ain't gonna hold you. Got a whole Batmobile on the back. Let's see what you're gonna do. Don't you turn. Let's see what we got, y'all. Let's see what we got now. They said complete stop, turn traction control. There we go. Traction control is off. Come on, Jimmy. Brand new 2025 Road Glide 3, man. Ooh, this thing really too. It really too. It get up off the ground a little bit. It get up off the ground a little bit. So just imagine a Big Daddy. Come on, bro. What's going on? My God. Bro wasn't even in the streets yet. Come on. Let's go. Golly. Heck, that's how you gotta pull up on these people, man. They in the way. They just in the way. In the way, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We are on a trike. Look. Yes, sir. We on that Big Daddy trike, though. This is the Big Daddy trike right here. Oh, I forgot you can't put your hands down. I mean, your feet down. It threw me off a little bit, but it is pretty nice. It threw me off a little bit, but it is pretty nice. You got your handles back here. You can get back like this and just kick back. Get your passenger and sit right back here. See, I could probably even ride from up here now that I think about it. I thought I turned traction control off, bro. What's going on? I definitely thought I turned traction control off. Oh, I did, but I freaking jerked it. So let me see if I can get it. Complete stop, traction control off. It's off. Let me see if I can get this thing to get some action, man. Meanwhile, if you guys are just now tuning in, man, make sure you like the video for your boy, man. We are on the Road Glide 3 right now. If you guys want a freaking and then of course we are in lovely Daytona Beach. Lovely Daytona Beach, man. Gotta love Daytona. I'm not gonna hold you. Okie dokie. Ooh, 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 ooh. Can't hit nothing. Let me see if I can. Oh my God, that thing got in the air, bro. What? I literally wasn't even trying to do that. Oh my God, let me get off this bike before I had too much fun, bro. I'm having too much fun. The bike went literally in the air. Shout out to Harley for letting me ride this trike, man. I need to get off before I had too much fun on this bike, man. Before I had too much fun. It's great. I ain't gonna lie, the ending was the best freaking part. The ending was the best freaking part. Now let's get through here without knocking over a cone. Yes, sir. Yep.
You're good. Go ahead and put it in neutral. The I'll back up.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Cool.
What'd you think of it?
It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. He like, look, man, we don't want you to back it up. You gonna wreck it, bro. The bike did a wheelie, dude. The bike did a wheelie, man. Y'all see it here first. 2025 Road Glide 3. You guys let me know if you like the bike or not. This denim purple is pretty nice. I like the color on it. Oh yeah, let's see the trunk space. I forgot all about the trunk. Oh man, that thing is huge. You can put like a whole body back there, man.
About.
I can dig it, man. You guys let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Appreciate you, man. Road Glide 3 for the win. It's up. Thanks, bro.